Mr. Madden's Math Minutes.
Sit back, relax, and get ready to learn. You give me 10 minutes or less, I'll give you a math lesson.
That's my dad.
Welcome to Comparing Numbers. I'm glad you took some time out of your day to watch this video for any assistance. So the directions at the top say compare. Write less than, greater than, or equal to solve this inequality. So we're going to be using place value and thinking place value when we are comparing numbers. So starting with the number on the left, at the bottom, we have 3,275 compared to 3,278. So one way that we can figure out which number is larger or smaller, or if they're equal, is to write them in a sort of expanded form. So underneath the number on the left, I'm going to break it down into expanded form, basically. But I'm starting with the first digit, 3. The 3, if I start from the 5, I think ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the 3 is worth 3,000. And then I go to my 2 to the right, which is in the hundreds place. So that's 200. I'll write it below, keeping the place values lined up. The 7 is in the tens place, so that would be 7 tens, or 70. And the 5 is in the ones place, which is worth 5 ones. Likewise, I'll do the same on the right-hand side, starting with the the first digit on the right, the 8. I'm going to think this is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. So 3 is worth, or has a value of 3,000. The 2 is in the hundreds place, so that is 200. The 7 is in the tens place, that is worth 7 tens or 70, and the 8 ones. I'm going to try and keep my numbers lined up actually so I can compare each one. So if I look at 3,000, and the number next to it, 3,000, they are equal. So that doesn't help me, really, unless the numbers end up being equal. The next line, I have 200 versus 200. Those numbers are equal. Those values. And look at the next line, 70 compared to 70. Those are equal as well. And if I look at my ones place, 5 is less than 8. So 5 is less than 8. So therefore, the whole number, when we put it together, 3,275 is less than 3,278. Now, one other way I can think of solving that is writing the numbers above each other, keeping, again, the place values lined up. And if I look, my thousands place is equal, my hundreds place also equal, my tens place equal again, and when I go to the ones place, there I see a difference. Of course, 8 is larger than 5. So again, 3,275 is less than 3,278. Here's another way I could prove the last problem I gave you. 3,275 is less than 3,278. I could use a number line to help solve that. I know the numbers are close, so I'm going to count by ones. So if I put 3,200, I'll start one below my starting number. 3,274, 3,275, 3,276, 3,277, 3,278, and I go one more past my higher number, 3,279. I can see here is my 3,275. Here is my 3,278. So the number to the left, of course, is smaller. So there's another way that you could prove the answer. Now please go do your homework and don't give your parents a hard time. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. Madden saying thanks for watching. I hope it helped, and whatever you are, be a good one.